I'm going to start this video with an embarrassing moment. I'm driving a minivan. I'm driving my sister's minivan. And I'm on a mission to pick up some flowers. I'm driving a minivan going to pick up flowers. Yes, I left my man card back at the bounder. I was gonna get one of the masks or pull my shirt up and pull my hat down as a disguise. Hope nobody sees me driving a minivan. I'm doing a favor for my sister, so I'm swallowing my pride right now. If you're a man and you're driving one of these by choice, it was the vehicle you chose. You know, that minivan, that's what I need. You know, you need to. You know, turn in your man card, put it in the shredder. In a minivan. I hope this video ends quickly. That's it. Thanks for. Yeah, this is something you know, soccer moms drive, or, well, my sister's case. This is her granny vehicle. This is her granny mobile. She does a lot of gardening. You know, there's cargo that she's always buying plants, and now I gotta go pick up flowers that are 100 miles away. 100 some, almost 2 hours away. Don't ask. And two, her grandbabies. She's got grandbabies, so if they're down visiting in Florida or she's up there, she takes the van. The grandbabies have a place to sit. She can haul grandbabies around and plants and flowers, and my sister is happy. Doesn't mean I have to be. I'm happy to go get these flowers for her. She does, you know, she cooks and stuff and feeds me, and you know, they're letting me park down at their spot in the RV all plugged in. And, yeah, it's very nice of them and her. So I'm happy to do something nice back, but I don't have to be happy about driving his van. And wait a minute, what's this? There's not enough gas to get the job done. We're down to 2 bars of gas. About an eighth of a tank, roughly, I'm guessing. But we have a 91 mile range with the gas we got. And that'll get us almost there, but then we have to come back, so I better stop and put some gas in this thing. But then something else occurred to me. What about van life? Can you imagine living in a little van like this? Or smaller? I can't. I can't. Let me entertain the idea for a minute. With them seats out, a bed, you can make a little kitchenette, tiny 1 or 2 burner stove or something, a cooler, a little 12-volt refrigerator. Here's the problem I have with vans: the small vans or regular vans, you know, full-size vans. I want to have something I can stand up in. That's probably the number one thing. You know, even if you did the composting toilet gig and went that route, you need plumbing, and you lived and worked out of a water jug and dumped your wastewater out, you know, dishwater and stuff. And even if you did that, and I might have a couple decades ago, maybe, when I was a younger man, could actually kind of camp out of the van and set up camp outside of the van, you know, with chairs and a little awning out, and it would be a good camping vehicle, I guess. But to be full-time in, and see, to just go camping, you can watch the weather and go camping on a nice weekend, that sort of thing. But to be in full-time, you know, you get a rainy spell where sometimes it rains for days, right? I'd want something that could at least a high top van that you could stand up in and stretch and walk back and forth a little bit. A little van, there's no way I'd want to do that as a full-timer. Okay, I think that concludes my thoughts on a minivan. I forgot to bring the dash cam, so maybe we'll just use this as a look around a little bit cam. And there's a nice ranch. Okay, we're getting gas, and this is pretty handy. My sister has these. Keeps these Clorox wipes in the van. Wipe that nasty gas pump handle, maybe. You know. In these times, we're all become germaphobes, right? I actually forgot and lifted the handle up. I like it now. I like my hands nice with this. And let's push the buttons. For the next person. There. All better. Wipe the handle. Wipe my hands. I even wiped the buttons on there for the next person. Do that little extra wipe. Why not, right? Okay, we can get out of here now. Filled it up. Poor Bella. If she knew I was out seeing cows without her, probably make her sad. Bella loves to be out sightseeing and looking at cows and horses and stuff. Anyway, now we got a full tank. We have a range of 467 miles. That'll certainly get us there and all the way back, and there'll be some left over. That'll be good. More cows and more cows. You're probably wondering why I didn't bring Bella with me. And it's because there's going to be, the van is going to be full on the way back. My sister's up here near Jacksonville. I won't get into the backstory on that, but and the dogs are up here, so, and the flowers. They brought the fifth wheel up here for the week. My brother-in-law had to work, and she's coming back today. Bought all these flowers and the two dogs and my sister, and so it'll be a little crowded in here with Bella. Yeah, the three dogs on the way back. Yeah, for a 2-hour drive. I just left Bella in the bounder. I don't know what that Chinese and Japanese restaurant used to be, what it originally was, but it is very, very retro. It almost looks like an old Dairy Queen type of store. Okay, we made it up. This is my sister and brother-in-law's fifth wheel. It's pretty comfortable inside, but we're going to skip the tour. Mission accomplished so far. We're all loaded up with flowers and dogs, and we're going to head back. And that's the big bad tow vehicle. Everybody okay back there? Huh? You girls riding all right? We'll be back pretty soon and go see Bella, okay?
Zena's not talking to you.
That's Zena. Okay, we're back. There's the minivan, and there's stuff missing already. There's these four plots, and all these planters. See, my sister doesn't mess around. Okay? All these somehow are already in the ground out here. I don't even know what all they are, where they went, but somehow plants just disappear around here. A bunch of the stuff in here. I think all these new green things in here.
Towel lilies.
Yeah.
Easter lilies.
And more.
Palladium.
And more. What doggies? Allie. Hello, Allie. Huh? Zena. And there goes Zena. There's Zena. Hi, Zena. Hello, Zena. And where's Bella? Bella. Was you trying to get that camera? Huh? Was you trying to get it? He thinks it's a toy and wants to grab it. That'd be bad. What are you crazy dogs doing? Oh man, Bella just loves to run. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? Ready? Go. Go. Zena. Go, Bella, go. Go, Bella, go. Here comes Bella. Bella can be a little bossy if she needs to be. Huh? Bella can be bossy. Zena. Zena. No, you can't get the camera. No. Bella. So we'll fast forward to Friday morning. Now with that task out of the way, the minivan episode, I just want to get a quick Friday video uploaded. The Friday afternoon, evening videos seem to do pretty well, even though YouTube seems to be tanking the last couple of weeks on my channel by about 40%, not in views, but in ad revenue. But so I did post another update this morning on Patreon. I'm trying to build that channel a little bit. Well, not that page. It's not a channel. I'm trying to build that page a little bit to kind of supplement what's going on with YouTube right now. And so I've been adding content to there. It's kind of early on. I should have been doing this for quite a while now, really. But I'm going to be adding like extras and real-time updates as best I can, and maybe some bonus footage that just doesn't fit in a regular YouTube video. It just doesn't seem to fit. Some random stuff on there. So if you'd like to join us over on Patreon, the link's always at the end of every video down in the description. And actually on the end screen there's a little Patreon icon too. You can just click on that, it'll take you straight there. Gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, so we're gonna get ready and we'll be back on the road. It might be interesting. I don't know if we're just gonna go straight, just marathon drive and get straight up to Pennsylvania, or if we just try to see and do a couple things on the way. I don't know what kind of things are going to be open or camping available, and they're probably going to be slim pickings. I don't know if there's going to be much of that. But anyway, the entire way we are going to be practicing social distancing. It's what I do anyway. So at this point in my lifestyle, it's really just be careful when you go into stores. Other than that, I'm just really not around people. So I don't think there'll be any issue there. Thanks for checking in with us today. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Zena's a happy dog. She says I'm gonna get that microphone. Here. Oh, that's bad. No, you put that. Look, I'll show you what she's trying to get. Okay. Hang on, let me get this thing unscrewed. Leave go. I'm kidding. Oops. The microphone was in Allie's mouth. Better watch that. Alright, I'll see you.